Welcome to the McGuire Center of Lepidoptery. My name is Ted Greenwald. I'm a docent here at the museum. The McGuire Center of Lepidoptery has the largest collection of butterflies in the world. We have over 11 million here in the collection. I like to study the ones that are endangered. In fact, here at the museum, we have some species, two in particular, that are almost extinct in the wild. In fact, we probably have more living examples of the Schaus swallowtail in this museum than there are in the wild right now. We also do the Miami blue. So I would have to say the Schaus swallowtail, since its husbandry is so important, since they are so scarce. It's found in a very restricted area in northern Key Largo, just south of Miami, in the Biscayne National Monument. There's perhaps 400 individuals left in the wild. This wall is basically a primer about a fourth grade level introduction to the physiology and biology of butterflies. What makes a butterfly, and their color patterns, but butterflies are a good introductory animal for insects. Most people think of insects and they go, ew, as in we have the cockroach, but there's many more beautiful insects, interesting insects, and insects, as we'll find out, are very important to the ecology and for the survival of people. The flashlight really brings out the reflected colors, which would approximate sunlight. When these animals fly, they reflect the sunlight, and it really displays their colors. This is the first time I put the flashlight on this guy, and it's just, it's amazing. Butterflies and moths are very similar, but they're also very different. The basic difference is, I like to think of as the moth's antennas are very fuzzy, and they're for picking up scent because they fly mostly at night. So as a general rule of thumb, butterflies are diurnal, or out in the daytime, and moths are nocturnal, out at night. Also, because the butterflies are out in the day, their wings and their scales are much thinner, whereas a moth's wings are covered with very thick scales. And the thick scales are to provide insulation because it's colder at night. And also, in some species, it helps confuse the echolocation of bats.